Kia ora, welcome back to the Queenstown and Wanaka Weekly Mountain Update. My name is Nick Klein. This week we're coming to you from the summit of Treble Cone. It's a beautiful winter's day here today. This week actually has been stunning. Cold temperatures all week, meaning all of the resorts have had nice dry snow, and the trails have been pristine, and the explorers, they've been out getting a few powder days. So let's see what's coming up in the next 7 days. To the Remarkables, well, reports coming in thick and fast of beautiful skiing and riding on and off trail. Some of the Alta chutes are now open as well. The advanced park line is in the works, and during school holidays there's carpool priority happening. Also, you can catch the bus from town. To Treble Cone, well, the saddle is now open. They even had a powder day for opening, and I can tell you what, the summit is well worth a hike. The view kind of speaks for itself. Beautiful, absolutely stunning conditions up here at Treble Cone. To Coronet Peak, well, now they have all lifts open, including the T-bar and Heidi's hut. Beautiful chalky snow up there actually. This Saturday is one for the kids. They're going to have face painting, cake decorating, lots of fun for the school holidays. To Coronet now, well, they've done beautifully out of this storm. Captain's is now spinning with the pizzas going on over that side. White Star's now back in action with new park features being added daily. And don't forget about the free transport that goes from the bottom of the access road. To heli ski, well, these cold temperatures have kept the snow nice and dry this week, which has meant that conditions in the backcountry have been exceptional. Onto the weather forecast now, well, the west-southwest winds should bring snow tonight and into Thursday morning, but the best numbers of the week are looking like Friday with 10 to 25 centimetres grasshoppers picking, and even more in some places, so that is certainly exciting for what's coming up this weekend. So that's it for another week. I'm Nick Klein, signing off from Treble Cone for Mountainwatch.